What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who it is. Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all have a good morning, day, night. You know what time it is, man. I'm here. I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in today. So hopefully y'all enjoy this one. A new performance mod for the truck, kind of sort of performance. I don't know. Comment below what is considered performance in your mind, because to me, performance is something that makes the engine even faster or run more efficient, or makes the car run more efficient as a whole. So that's my definition of performance, you know. But comment below what you think performance is, what performance means to you. But I'm gonna show y'all here what I got. Let's see, let's start with this. And boom. So as you can see, we have the JLT 3.0 catch can. So this is an oil catch can that we will be installing today. This is the new JLT 3.0. So, you know, the old one mounted like against the, there's like a screw on the cabin underneath the hood, but basically the back wall of the engine is where it mounted, if I can just say that. But this new one mounts actually on the side of the battery. So it's a different design. It has two holes here, and I'll get to that in a second. So honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you, I wish I would have the other one, because this one actually requires some drilling. Optional, but recommended drilling. Moving on to the actual catch can. Like I said, so here it is. I did go with the black finish because mainly everything under my engine is black, and I kind of want something that can blend in. After that, this is got a nice weight to it, man. You can definitely tell it's not cheaply made. These hoses are nice, thick, and firm. Like, I can't squeeze them. I'm not sure if you want to be able to squeeze them. And then here you got your clamps that you're gonna be clamping on to your PVC pipe or PVC manifold outtake, something like that. Don't quote me on it, guys. And here's the other end here. So here's the catch can itself. It's nice finish to it. It actually has on the catch can itself like a very rough surface here, and that's used for grip. So you grip it and untwisting it. If I can do it. Boom. So this is what it looks like. This is the inside. You can see. Try to get y'all some light in there, as you can see there. But there you go. But it's called a 3.0 because it is the 3 ounce. So that's why it's 3.0, because it holds 3 ounces of oil. And looking at the back side of it here, you can see the filter. I'm trying to break this thing. Y'all see the filter right there, the back side. So, oops. So yeah, that's it. So that's what we're installing today. And if you don't know what the catch can is, I do my best to explain this as worst as I possibly can. So don't quote me on what I'm saying. Basically, what it does is it catches the oil that is coming out of the engine from the PVC manifold or something like that. You can Google it, videos, tons of video on it. Basically, so it catches the oil, all that dirty oil that's blowing back into your engine, catches the oil in here, and it makes sure clean air is going back instead of oil contaminants and things like that. To sum it up, that's the high level overview. Like I said, you can Google it and you'll definitely see what I'm talking about there. With that, I believe you're supposed to change this. You're supposed to empty out every 2,000 or 3,000, I think 5,000 miles, but most people say they do theirs every 2,000 or 3,000. I'll probably stick to that where you dump this. And we're gonna definitely do that after I run my 2,000 miles, see how much oil we're catching. But especially with your EcoBoost engines, man, if you have an EcoBoost, these turbo engines, definitely get this, because these engines now, the EcoBoost, Turbo Boost, are direct injected. So basically, you know, your piston here back in the old days, these come down through here, the air, whatever, or through here, and as they go down. But now they're coming direct injected, so they're coming underneath the piston. They're not even going on top anymore, something like that. So this definitely is gonna help keep that up. I'm actually gonna post a picture here, behind the back part of a piston. That's basically what is building up on those pistons, all that oil and stuff coming back to the engine. I'm gonna show y'all a picture here, what is building up over time. So that is what this is gonna help eliminate as well. So I mean, it's performance. We're basically taking out the dirty oil and pushing back clean, only air, good air back to your engine. You know, that should help with the performance. I'm not saying you're gonna gain horsepower or anything, but healthy engine can breathe better, run longer, all that. So definitely doing that. Up here, the view install, go to the website, and they give you what to type in, and you find the actual product you order, and then you click on the video. So they do have the video of the newer mounting, which I will be doing. And I'm not gonna go through all this, man, but you make sure you got all your parts. because I already read through these instructions. I actually headed over to a friend's house. He's gonna help me do it. He actually put one on his car. He has a Chevy, so different, but he has a tool, a drill I'm gonna use. I don't have a drill. I probably need to get some tools, man, if I'm gonna be doing all this work. So he's just gonna help me do it. I think they said install time should take about 30 minutes. With the truck being lifted, it's a little harder. I gotta have a ladder, so hopefully it won't bother me with trying to set the camera up for you all to see and things like that. But it shouldn't take too long. But yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to his place, and I will catch y'all when I get there. All right, guys, so I just got over to Andrew's house here, and actually his brother just got a new vehicle. So my boy Adam, say what's up. So he actually just bought him a bit. What is this? I'm gonna let you tell it. I don't know what it is.
It's a 2012 BMW X6.
Yeah.
It's the larger motor, so it's the V8 twin turbo one.
Ooh, V8 twin turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's moving. Yeah.
Yeah, man, but it's big body. The crazy part about it is you'd be confused about how quick this big. I mean, it feels like when you get in, that it's not gonna pick up.
Right.
You throw this thing in sport mode.
Yeah,
I was racing Andrew in his Camaro. You know?
How'd that take?
Man, it was fun. But, but it's smooth. But for me, especially living here in Texas, I like being in bigger vehicles.
Man.
Just in case. But
dude, this thing is bad, man. I'm putting my camera around. You ain't got no front plate on. All right, yeah. Man, I like this right here. This is a cool touch, man.
Yeah.
With the like the BMW stripes right there.
Yeah, with the M stripes.
Yeah.
And the thing about it is,
so it's an M series?
No, so it's not an M series.
Okay.
But I just put a few little M series pieces on, like just a simple grill.
Okay.
But I don't know if you know what's about to pass. So the reason why I don't have front plates on is because Texas just they're passing it within the next like 2 weeks. It's House Code 617.
Okay.
Where in Texas you don't have to have a front plate anymore.
What?
If your vehicle is MSRP above $60,000. $60,000. So yeah.
Oh, they would do that, man.
Yeah. So you don't have to have it in your window. You don't have to have it anywhere. You can just be on your back. And so if they ever pull you over, you just tell them, hey, House Code 617 says whatever. It doesn't matter if it's 2019 or 2005. Whatever the MSRP when it came out.
Yeah.
If it's above 60 grand.
Mine's above 60 grand, man. We ain't got no front plate.
Yeah.
I'm lying, but it ain't above 60 grand. I know, but they ain't gonna know that. I'm like, look, we above 60 grand, man. Look at you, what you think.
And that's exactly what the law is going to be. So you don't have to have the plate anymore. And so what it is when it actually passes, I'm just going to bring it back up to BMW. Yeah. I'm going to have them give me a whole new front bumper without the drill holes.
Oh, okay, I got you.
And they'll be able to do that because of the bill.
Yeah, okay, I got you. Okay, yeah, I do see you saying that the last person had put the front plate on there.
So BMW would just slap it on there without the grill holes because of that law.
Yeah. Okay.
It's supposed to protect luxury vehicles.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, I mean, honestly, they should just remove it overall in general, but
most states don't. Most states
exactly.
Yeah.
But, I mean, Texas got the most lenient gun laws, but then they trip about license plates and tents.
Exactly.
It's crazy. Man, you want to show the inside real quick? You don't mind? Let me see the inside of this thing. This ain't gonna be no whole video. Oh, it's got the keyless entry, keyless technology.
It's too bright out here, but it also has the BMW on the floor. You can't.
Oh yeah.
You can't
the
see
logo.
Okay. Yeah, you can't see it all down there, but yeah, man, it's just black and white. You can go look through.
Dude, this thing is. I'm going that side. You go that side. You can. Right. Man, this thing is nice. Let me see. Oh yeah, this thing is. They got the suede, so it sound like that. Hold up, man. Do that again. Wow, I did not expect this thing to sound like that, bro.
Yeah, this thing is quick.
Man, did you put this there?
All the ends all the way through. Just real simple.
Yeah. Man, this is nice, man. And this is a 2012. That's crazy that this car looks the way it does. Whoever had it took care of it, for sure.
It was he had a lease. He had it as a lease in his garage. He was a BMW dealership manager out of Colorado, and he had it leased and just let it sit in his garage. And so by the time that I found it, I asked him, could he ship it from Colorado here? So ships it here, get it all the way here.
Yeah.
Easy.
Man, this thing is nice. Got the sunroof too as well.
Yep.
Nice. I like these seats though, man. That's the
black on suede.
The black on suede with the leather. That's nice. This thing is nice, man. I always like the X6. Not gonna lie, it's a good looking truck, good looking SUV. It's SUV, right?
Yeah,
SUV.
They call them crossover SUVs, but the best part about it is, for me, I never was looking at BMWs anyway. Nor was I looking at a black car, nor was I looking at, these types of like crossovers.
Yeah.
So then by the time that I bought it, it's just one of those things like you just like, you know, yep, let me go ahead and get it, and I'll fall in love later.
Right.
It's just one of those.
That's nice, man.
Now I feel like I'm sold on it.
All right, guys. So actually, we got a few projects going on today when I got over here. So you can see Red back in the back. The hood pop. That's what we got to get doing on hers. So actually, on the BMW here, we're gonna do some painting here on the bumper. So these are all Andrew cars. So that's his wife's car. That's his other car he just got. His gonna be his daily. And this is his Camaro right here, which this will be coming a review on this, man. I know y'all probably, if you watched my video for a while on my channel, you've seen this early on. So, but he gave me permission to take the keys, not today, but to take the keys and do a review on it. So we gonna do it. But yeah, all three of these reviews. But man, this Camaro, if y'all see it from where it first started to from where it's now, man, it's crazy. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Oh, that boy clean. Clean. Sound good. All right, guys, so as y'all can see me, first step, so I got 3.5 V6 twin turbo. So on mine, first thing you do, you just unscrew your oil lid here, unscrew that, and then your cover should just pop out. Boom, just like that. Pretty easy. Boom, pretty easy. And that's how these two things right there kind of drive into a latch. So that's the cover. Take that off. All right, guys. So this right here, what you're gonna be removing. Do it here real quick. These great clamps right there. You just take it, push. Which way you push it? Like that, and pull up. It comes off pretty easy. So right there, the great clamp, and then same thing right here on the other one. Just take it, pull it back, then pull off. That's it. And so here, I'm just talking through here, is where you're gonna mount. This is the old mounting place was back here. And the old JLT catch can. Here's the new one. They already got one hole drilled. And this you use and you have to drill another hole. It's optional, but recommended is what the instructions say. But we're just gonna go ahead and drill it. That's all you gotta do, and then we'll just reinstall everything. Super quick, easy. Slow. I done went all the way down.
Yeah, you did.
That sounds good.
No, it looks good.
I figure like, okay, the punch gonna come.
The punch is gonna come, so I said nice and smooth. All right, drop your black clips in there.
Yeah, that's all right. So what I'm doing now, I'm just taking the two bolts that they gave me, and just screwing them in where you drill the holes or where the hole is.
Oh, yeah. You need the hole moved up. Just a little bit. You can kind of lean over here. Take a look at the first hole and see how much higher it is, and then take a look at the second hole. You can just take the drill and just move it up a little bit.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Just lift it off a little bit.
Which end? This end?
Look at the other side.
This out.
Touch the metal, man, just to make sure it's a metal.
Got a little pull on it.
It has some like grippers, but you don't need it.
I gotta get one of these.
Those are lifesavers.
What? Man, I lost so many bolts up in this thing somewhere, man. All right, we got some progress. Next, we're gonna install the catch can here. So I would recommend taking this off, unscrewing this, and then just unscrew this, and then just mount it on the mount over there, right there, and then put your container, your holder back on. So we got our mount mounted. So screw this on. Real quick, one thing on this, guys, you don't want to put it too tight because of the heat, and pressure is gonna help it actually seal anyway. So tighten it, but don't over tighten it because it's gonna be a pain to get off for you. Now we're just gonna mount our hoses here. So you wanna take your 90-degree angle one, and I'm not sure how I remember it just goes on the one on the back. So take it, snap, nice little click for you. Take the front end, do the same. Make sure to keep this hose pretty. It's on there, nice click. You know what? Actually, guys, I'm gonna run this underneath here, just give it a better look. So take it through, underneath, and then slip it on. There we go. There we go. Just give it a cleaner look to go underneath this pipe right here. Your air filter, I mean your air box container. And tight. So yeah, so here's the end results. What you got, only a piece of advice here. When you're doing this one, just make sure you make the hole big enough and give it enough room. That kind of took the longest, but other than that, it was pretty easy, just screws. I say that's pretty easy, it took an hour to do it. Now we just gotta replace our cover. Put your oil cap back on, that's it. It's on there. See how it mounts? I don't know if I like that.
How hard it is?
Yeah. It just sits kind of.
It is a lot harder than I thought.
Yeah, you might hand me the. Yeah, that. Oh, I got you. Nah, I don't think so, man.
Bro, that's fun.
You want to see? I'm gonna have to close it and try it out here.
That's like right there. Why did they make it so tall?
I know, right? It looks kind of.
I mean, it looks good, but.
No, they could have cut it off an inch or so, man. Like, no, they could have cut it down.
Well, because you want to get underneath it to unscrew it. That's the pain I have on mine.
Do you?
Ooh, it's like just at intake level. I mean, it's just there.
They probably looked at it. All right, boom. See it? All right, let's see. All right, guys, real quick. So, see how it's kind of shaking right there? See that? A lot of vibration. So I see why they would probably prefer you to mount another hole here to make sure this here. But what we did here with this hose, we just kind of moved it in between the AC line and the air box, and the shaking stopped. Hey guys, so let's go about wrap the video up. We got somebody coming through here on the ground. Let me catch him real quick. He's getting it too. So, what's up, boss? So anyway, we gonna wrap the video up, man. We done for the most part.
We're gonna give you all the views, Q.
Hey man, come on. Alright guys, I'm about to wrap this video up. I'm not gonna be redundant. You saw everything I did. Just a few tips. Just make sure you're drilling your hole, you line it up properly. And other than that, it was pretty easy, pretty simple, man. It wasn't hard at all. The only issue I ran into was just drilling that hole properly. But other than that, it was straightforward. Instructions was nice and easy. You know, yeah, so definitely recommend it. Like I said, we will be doing some reviews on it down the road. Right now I'm at 50,000 miles, so I think around 52 or 53 we'll check it to see where we're at. And yeah, see what kind of oil and stuff we catch. But again, that was a JLT catch can install, and that's all I got. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all stay tuned. I got a few more things coming, and we'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace. I forgot to add real quick, guys. So if you have an oil catch can now, if you have an older JLT,
We're gonna give you all the views, Q.
Hey man, come on. Alright guys, I'm about to wrap this video up. I'm not gonna be redundant. You saw everything I did. Just a few tips. Just make sure you're drilling your hole, you line it up properly. And other than that, it was pretty easy, pretty simple, man. It wasn't hard at all. The only issue I ran into was just drilling that hole properly. But other than that, it was straightforward. Instructions was nice and easy. You know, yeah, so definitely recommend it. Like I said, we will be doing some reviews on it down the road. Right now I'm at 50,000 miles, so I think around 52 or 53 we'll check it to see where we're